If you're watching this, you're likely familiar with the Ethereum blockchain. But what is coming with this 2.0 upgrade? Well, let's take a look and dive in. Ethereum 2.0 is a long-planned protocol upgrade to the Ethereum network that is being called Serenity, which will give it the scalability and security that it needs to continue growing. So let's look under the hood and see what are some of the main things that are changing and how will the Ethereum 2.0 be different than Ethereum 1.0. Well, there's two primary improvements that are introduced by Serenity: proof of stake and shard chains. So let's start with proof of stake. Currently, Ethereum 1.0 runs on a consensus mechanism known as proof of work. Now, proof of work relies on physical computing power or miners and electricity to build blocks, where proof of stake enables improved security, scalability, and energy efficiency. So instead of relying on physical miners and electricity, proof of stake relies on validators or virtual miners and deposits of Ether. Okay, so what about shard chains? Well, short chains are basically a scalability mechanism that improves the throughput of the Ethereum blockchain. Currently, Ethereum has a single chain made up of consecutive blocks, which, although this is incredibly secure and makes information easy to verify, it does require each full node to process and validate each transaction in consecutive blocks. Now, this could really have an impact on how quickly transactions are processed. Shard chains are a mechanism through which the Ethereum blockchain is split, thus dividing the data processing responsibility among many different nodes. This allows for transactions to be processed in parallel rather than consecutively. So I hope you found this high-level overview of Ethereum 2.0 helpful, and I'll be back soon with more 2-minute cryptocurrency and blockchain